Hi everyone, welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Get ready to unlock the secret of scaling up and down with tables of equivalent ratios. You can double a recipe, stretch your allowance, or even solve real-world puzzles. Let's dive in and master the power of equivalent ratios today. We will be scaling forward to find equivalent ratios. When we scale forward, we multiply. A recipe calls for 5 cups of water for each cup of black beans. How many cups of water should be used for 4 cups of black beans? We're using tables, so let's draw our table. For 5 cups of water, we need 1 cup of beans. For 4 cups of beans, how many cups of water do we need? Now, we can scale forward from 1 to 4. Scale forward, remember, it means multiplication. So I can multiply 1 by 4 to get 4. So I go ahead and multiply 5 by 4. 5 times 4 gives me 20. So it means for 4 cups of beans, I will be needing 5 cups of water. In a batch of trail mix, there are 3 tablespoons of peanuts for every 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. How many tablespoons of sunflower seeds are needed if you have 18 tablespoons of peanuts? Let's make our table. We have 3 tablespoons of peanuts for 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Now for 18 tablespoons of peanuts, how many tablespoons of sunflower seeds? We don't know. Let's find out. What can I do to 3 to get to 18? I can scale forward, so I can multiply by 6. 3 times 6 gives me 18. So I need to scale forward here also by 6. So 2 times 6 gives us 12. It means for 18 tablespoons of peanuts, I need 12 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Now we're going to be scaling backward. Scaling backward means you dividing. There are 50 petals on 10 orange blossoms. Each orange blossom has the same number of petals. Find the number of petals on one orange blossom. Let's make our table. Table with petals and orange blossoms. So for 50 petals, we have 10 orange blossoms. For one orange blossom, how many petals we need to find? So what can we do to 10 to get to 1? We need to scale backward. Remember, scaling backward means dividing. So 10 divided by 10 gives us 1. And 50 divided by 10 gives us 5. So for every one orange blossom, we have 5 petals. We will be scaling in both directions. When we scale in both directions, we divide and then we multiply. Coco used 12 yards of fabric to make 9 blouses. 12 yards of fabric makes 9 blouses. Find the number of blouses she could make with 20 yards of fabric. We do not know the number of blouses she can make with 20 yards of fabric. Let's see. Can we scale forward from 12 to 20? There is no number that can multiply 12 to give us 20. So we scale backward. We scale backward using the GCF of 12 and 9. The GCF is 3. So we divide 12 by 3, it gives us 4. And divide 9 by 3, it gives us 3. Now we can scale forward from 4 to 20 by multiplying with 5. So 4 times 5 gives us 20 and 3 times 5 gives us 15. It means for 20 yards of fabric, Coco can make 15 blouses. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more math videos, and remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until I come your way next time. Bye.